Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In previous class we learnt 8th lesson circulatory system and excretory system. Okay. Today we are going to write the book exercise. First, objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, does work together so that our body can function normally. Organisms or organ systems. The answer is organ systems. Organ systems work together so that our body can function normally. Second one, the DAS system helps to transport substances within the body. The options are circulatory or excretory. The answer is circulatory. The circulatory system helps to transport substances within the body. Third one, DAS is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels to all parts of the body. Heart or blood? The answer is blood. Blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels to all parts of the body. Next, fourth one. The DAS system is an organ system that helps in getting rid of waste formed inside our body. Circulatory system or excretory system? The answer is excretory system. The excretory system is an organ system that helps in getting rid of waste from inside our body. Next, fifth one. The formation of urine takes place in the DAS, heart or kidneys? The answer is kidneys. The formation of urine takes place in the kidneys. Okay. Next, B. Match the following. First one, circulatory system. Circulatory system, transport of substances. Second one, excretory system. Excretory system, removal of waste. Then third one, arteries and veins. Arteries and veins are blood vessels. Fourth one, kidneys. Kidneys, the answer urine formation. Next, heart pumping organ. Okay, the answer is 5, 3, 1, 2 and 4. Next, C. Choose the correct option. First one, which of these are transported by blood? A. Nutrients, B. Water, C. Argon and carbon dioxide, D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Second one, which of these are called blood vessels? Which of these are called blood vessels? A. Ureters and kidneys, B. Heart and blood, C. Arteries and veins, D. Urethra and bladder. The answer is C. Arteries and veins. Third one, which of these helps in getting rid of waste from our body? Which of these helps in getting rid of waste from the body? A. Digestive system, B. Circulatory system, C. Excretory system, D. None of these. The answer is C. Excretory system. Fourth one. Which of these is not a part of the excretory system? Which of these is not a part of the excretory system? A. Urinary bladder and kidneys, B. Urethra and urinary bladder, C. Urine and ureters, D. Heart and blood vessels. The answer is D. Heart and blood vessels. Fifth one. Which of these organs store urine? Which of these organs store urine? A. Ureter, B. Urinary bladder, C. Kidneys, D. Urethra. The answer is B. Urinary bladder. Sixth one. Which of these is not a part of the circulatory system? A. Heart, B. Blood, C. Blood vessels, D. Kidneys. Yes, D. Kidneys is the right answer. Seventh one. Where does urine get formed? Where does urine get formed? A. Kidneys, B. Urinary bladder, C. Heart, D. Blood vessels. A. Kidneys is the correct answer. Next, eighth one. Which of these is a process by which wastes are removed by the body? Which of these is a process by which wastes are removed by the body? A. Circulation, B. Skeleton, C. Excretion, and D. None of these. The answer is C. Excretion. Second term letter, very short answer type questions. A. Give 2 examples for each of the following. First one, organ systems of the body. That is circulatory system and excretory system. Second one, organs of the circulatory system. Heart, blood vessels. Third one, substances that get transported within the system. Example, water, oxygen. Fourth one, blood vessels. That is arteries, veins. Fifth one, organs of the excretory system. Kidney, bladder, urinary bladder. Okay, the book exercise is finished. The answer to the following questions will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.